Have you ever lost your phone? It's a sinking feeling. Your heart races, your palms sweat. But don't panic. Google Find My Device is here to help. This free tool from Google is like a guardian angel for your Android phone or tablet. Find My Device can locate your device quickly. It doesn't matter if it's lost in the couch cushions or left in a taxi. You can even use it to secure your personal information if your device is stolen. Think of it as your secret weapon for keeping your data safe and sound. This simple guide will show you exactly how to use Find My Device. We'll cover everything you need to know. You'll learn how to set it up, locate your device, and take action to protect your data. Get ready to become a Find My Device pro and take charge of your digital security. Good news, everyone. Setting up Find My Device is super easy. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be ready to go. First, make sure your Android device is connected to the internet. Then, open the Settings app. It looks like a little gear icon. Next, find and tap on Google. This will take you to your Google account settings. Look for Find My Device and tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch. Make sure it's turned on. Now your device is ready to be found. It's also a good idea to check that location services are enabled. This helps Find My Device pinpoint your device's location accurately. To do this, go back to Settings and look for Location. Turn the location toggle switch on. That's it. You've successfully set up Find My Device. Lost your phone? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Find My Device makes finding your lost device a breeze. Here's how. Open your web browser on any device like a computer or tablet. Go to the Find My Device website. You can easily find it by searching Find My Device on Google. Sign in to your Google account. Make sure it's the same account that signed in on your lost phone. Once you're signed in, Find My Device will automatically try to locate your device. A map will pop up showing you the last known location of your device. Pretty cool, right? You can even zoom in and out to get a better view of the area. If your device is online and has location services turned on, you'll see its current location in real time. Now you're ready to track it down. Section 4. Locking down your data. Keep your information safe. Okay, so you can't find your phone. Maybe it's really lost, or worse, stolen. Don't panic. Find My Device lets you take control and protect your precious data. From the Find My Device website, you'll see a few options. One of them is Secure Device. Click on that. This will lock your device remotely, even if it wasn't locked before. You can even set a message on the lock screen. This is helpful if someone finds your phone. You can ask them to call you or take it to the authorities. Most importantly, locking your device prevents anyone from accessing your personal information, like your photos, contacts, and messages. Your data stays safe and sound. Section 5. Recovering your device, getting back what's yours. So, you've located your device using Find My Device. Now what? It's time to get it back. If you see that your device is nearby, you can use the Play Sound feature. This will make your phone ring loudly, even if it's on silent mode. Follow the sound, and you'll find your device in no time. If you're worried about someone accessing your data, remember to lock your device first. In unfortunate cases where your device might be gone for good, you have the option to erase it remotely. This will wipe all your data from the device, ensuring that none of your personal information falls into the wrong hands. Remember, using the Erase Device option should be your last resort. Once erased, you won't be able to locate the device using Find My Device. Section 6. Stay in control with Find My Device. Peace of mind at your fingertips. Congratulations! You're now a Find My Device expert. You've learned how to set it up, locate your device, secure your data, and even recover your phone. Remember, Find My Device is your digital safety net, always there to give you peace of mind. Keep it activated on your Android device, and you'll be prepared for whatever comes your way. Stay safe and connected.